Hello teacher, hello everyone. My name is Lisa and in grade 3. Story Mr. Monkey gets a surprise. Mr. Monkey goes to Mr. Panda to stall every day. Today Mr. Panda is selling banana juice and lemon juice with honey. One Mr. Monkey gave a cheer. I love banana juice, he said. Two, Mr. Monkey drinks lot of banana juice. Oh no, Mr. Monkey had hiccup. I don't love hiccup, he says. Hiccup. Three, Mr. Gorilla and his Samro and Mr. Monkey. They give his a surprise. For the surprise for Mr. Monkey hiccups. Thank you, says Mr. Monkey. I love surprise. Goodbye, teacher.